Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable TalkBack or VoiceView on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon that is located on the very right side of your TV. Then navigate to accessibility settings that are located in the bottom row of your settings list. They are the second one. This is the second tile from the right side. After that, in accessibility menu, go 2 steps down to VoiceView and press OK or select. Then press select once again, and you will enable VoiceView on your TV. Now, after you enable VoiceView, you'll be introduced to a guide on how to use VoiceView. And once you finish the guide, you're going to have to press and hold a select button on your remote control until you are returned back in the VoiceView menu. And once you are here, you'll be able to navigate between options, and they are the following. First of all, we can change the reading speed here by selecting the first option after this, the VoiceView option, and here we can change speeds between 0.66x, which is the slowest reading speed, and all the way up to 4x speed of reading. Next, we can also adjust the verbosity settings right here. We can change the speech volume in the following option. We can change the sounds volume in the following option. The key echo settings, the punctuation level for either none, some, most, of, or all, and the next option is the VoiceView tutorial, which will let you go through the tutorial again in case you forget anything, and that's basically it. If you want to disable VoiceView, just select the first option once again, and this will turn VoiceView or TalkBack off on your TV. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.